Hi, my name's Neetu. I'm an organized and very efficient person who's used to working in a fast-paced environment. I hope that you'll take the time to learn a bit more about me. I speak 3 languages, Italian, Japanese, and English fluently. I lived in Tokyo, Japan for 6 years, and I actually studied Japanese at the University of Toronto. After Japan, I moved to Italy and I worked there for another 6 years. What I've been doing is I've been a television reporter and presenter. I worked for FVG Sports Television, where I proofread and hosted shows and interviewed celebrities, special guests, VIPs. Now, hosting and reporting was a part-time job for me, and I had other part-time jobs as well. In Japan, I'd been teaching English most of the time. In Italy, I also continued teaching English. So I worked at 2 different high schools. At one high school, I actually taught English to the staff, and I coordinated programs with the staff to help the students. So for example, programs against bullying or emotional support programs that would help the students if they were feeling bullied or oppressed or just stressed out. My greatest strength is in communications. I think that I am a good speaker and presenter, and I am great with dealing with customers directly or even talking on the phone. I feel that problem solving is another good skill of mine, because when working in the television industry, you really need to think on your feet and act fast and get things done without, just independently, without much help from other people, because everyone's very busy and they don't have time to help you. And I actually love that environment. I thrive under pressure. Working as a teacher, it's kind of similar in a way, because you have a classroom full of people and you never know what they're going to do. So you always have to be on your toes. You always have to answer questions. As a teacher, I also have a lot of administrative skills. I have advanced skills in Microsoft Word, for example. I taught my students how to use PowerPoint because I wanted them to do presentations using PowerPoint. And I can also use Microsoft Excel. I also have editing skills. I have used Edius, Final Cut, but I generally use Adobe Premiere Pro. Another skill I have is in Photoshop and photo editing, things like Photo Illustrator. I'm just a very multi-talented person who has a lot of different interests and a lot of different skills in different areas. I'm available to work now, and I hope that you'll take a look at my resume and get back to me. Thank you so much for your time, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.